Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Gimme.care subscription, or you can say like order. So basically before cancellation you need to you need to know what's the return and refund policy of Gimme.care. Okay, so you can see over here telehealth consultation fees are non-refundables, and prescription medications are non-refundable once dispensed, shipped or open or used. Okay, order cancellation after shipment are non-refundable. All fulfill one time purchase are final. Okay, if order is successfully cancelled before prescribing, a full refund will be issued within 5 to 7 days. If the order has already been prescribed but has not been shipped yet, so it will charge $100 as a cancellation fee. Okay, so this is the policy. Now question comes, how you can cancel their subscription. So first of all, the cancellation is not easy for some person. For some person the cancellation is easy. So I'm going to tell you two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So the first method, you can visit on the official website and you can log in into your account, because only if you have purchased product you can only log in into your account, otherwise no one can log in the account. So you can log in into your account and you can find your treatment and you can select your treatment, and you can cancel your treatment by removing your card, by removing your CC, by removing your credit card details, and by turn off your auto renewal. Okay, so this is the option. This option is only for technical persons if you have so much knowledge. Okay, but if you don't have so much knowledge and if you want to cancel your subscription and all, so you can compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. You can take help from ChatGPT to compose this kind of email. Okay, once your email is done, in the email, in the end of the email, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, because until you don't get any proof of cancellation, how you will say you have proofs of cancellation? If they charge on your account, so how you can claim? Okay, so this is the thing, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is hi@gimme.care. Okay, this email is also available on their official website. You can visit on the official website and you can send the email at their email address. Once they receive your email, they will reply you. If you don't get any reply from their side, you need to keep in touch with their customer support until you don't get any kind of proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, or you can do one thing in the last. If any method will not work, you can contact your credit card provider. You can make a request, like you want to remove your unwanted subscriptions and unwanted charges, unwanted transactions, then they will remove your transaction and all. So please don't forget to track your credit card transaction or report histories, and after 30 to 45 days of cancellation. Okay, to track your credit reports. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.